To use Wise with N26, you first need to understand what both services offer. Wise is a borderless money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money internationally with low fees and competitive exchange rates. N26 is a mobile banking platform that provides a range of financial services, including a debit card, current account, and savings account. To get started, you will need to create an account with both Wise and N26. Sign up for Wise by providing your personal details and verifying your identity. Similarly, sign up for N26 by downloading the app, providing your personal details, and verifying your identity. Once you have both accounts, you can link them together to send and receive money internationally. To do this, log into your Wise account and navigate to the transfer section. Select the currency you want to send in the recipient's country. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details. If you want to receive money into your N26 account, you will need to provide the sender with your Wise account details. This includes your Wise account number and the routing number for your N26 account. You can find these details in your N26 app or by logging into your Wise account. When sending money from your N26 account to Wise, you can use the Wise app to initiate the transfer. Simply log into your Wise account, select the currency you want to send, and enter the recipient's details. You can then fund the transfer using your N26 debit card or by transferring funds from your N26 account. It is essential to note that Wise and N26 have different fees and exchange rates. Wise charges a small fee for international transfers, while N26 may charge a fee for ATM withdrawals or foreign transactions. To get the best value, make sure to compare the fees and exchange rates before initiating a transfer. In conclusion, using Wise with N26 is a convenient and cost-effective way to send and receive money internationally. By following these steps and understanding the fees and exchange rates, you can make the most of both services and enjoy seamless international money transfers.